Oh my god, it actually worked! This really does work! Hey guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install incredible live wallpapers on your iPhone. No jailbreak needed. All you need is Nugget. If you want to set those Zootopia themed live wallpapers just like I did, then this video is definitely going to help you out. It works on the latest iOS 26.2, even on the newest iPhone models, and you get tons of awesome themes to choose from. It's really amazing. Here's how to get started. Click the link in the description to download the Nugget software for your computer. I'm on Windows, so I'll grab the Windows version. Before you start, make sure Find My on your iPhone is turned off. Don't worry, you can turn it back on after installing the wallpapers. If Find My is grayed out and you can't turn it off, here's how to fix it. Open the Settings app. Scroll down the Face ID and Passcode, tap it, then turn off Stolen Device Protection. After that, you'll be able to disable Find My normally. Now connect your iPhone to your computer. Once that's done, open Nugget. It should automatically detect your iPhone model and iOS version. On the sidebar, tap Posterboard. Then tap Find Wallpapers. It'll take you to the Live Wallpapers page, and there are a lot of themes. Just pick any one you like and download it. I'll grab a random one here for the demo. Let's pick the first one, the black hole theme, and download it. Go back to Nugget, tap Import Files, and select the wallpaper you just downloaded. You can add multiple wallpapers, but you can only install up to 3 at a time. Now hit Apply on the sidebar, then click Apply Change. Your iPhone will restart and take a moment to load the new settings. Once it's back on, long press your home screen, tap to add a new wallpaper, scroll all the way down to Collections, and swipe to the right. You should see the theme you downloaded. And there you go, enjoy your new live wallpapers. They look fantastic on the iPhone. Honestly, the animations look way better than I expected. If you want to delete any wallpaper, just swipe up to remove it. Super easy. Nugget will probably drop even more cool live wallpapers in the future, so definitely keep an eye on it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS updates. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.